Good morning students, Joyadash here. Today our topic is vertically opposite angles. I have seen that students are facing problem in vertically opposite angles and linear pair. So I am trying to explain it with some practical work. Say these are two pencils we are using as a straight line. Two pencils, say it is one line and it is another line. How many angles so formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. When two straight lines intersect at one point, 4 angles are so formed. Now this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles to each other. Similarly, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. As we are showing now one practical experiment. Now students, again see these two lines intersect each other. One line AB, another line is CD, intersect each other at point O. Now this angle I am showing by one colored paper. I have made this angle. See, this is one angle and here I am showing another angle. Now, as CD is a line segment, angle this and angle this, if I cover this portion, you can say that this is a straight angle or linear pair or adjacent angle, as well as you can say that angle DOA and COA are two adjacent angles. They are forming linear pair. They are making supplementary angles. So many things you can say. Now, how can I prove that vertically opposite angles are equal? You can see that angle AOD I have shown in a blue paper. Now the same angle I have make with the same colored paper, same measurement. What can you say now? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Is it clear, students? Now see, here also now is it clear that vertically opposite angles are always equal? See these two angles are showing that they are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. Similarly, see these two, they are also vertically opposite angles and they are equal to each other. So is it clear now that vertically opposite angles, which two we can say that vertically opposite angles? These two are the pair of vertically opposite angle and these two are the pair of vertically opposite. You can do this by your own and prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, if you don't know this angle, with the help of this angle you can find linear pair 180 degree. Similarly, by using this also you can find linear pair and find the angle. Understood? Next, yesterday I have given one sum as your homework and I told that try. Now see how to solve that sum. Now Here two line segment I can see. Now here it is 40 degrees C and it is Z. Again you see that this is a line segment and this is another line segment. So 40 degree and Z are vertically opposite angles to each other. Can you see, students? Now if these two angles are vertically opposite angles to each other, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, always equal. So value of Z is equal to 40 degree, vertically opposite angles. Reason you have to write in the right side. Why we are writing Z is equal to 40 degree? Its reason is vertically opposite angles. Now see, this 40, when it is a line segment, then 40 and Y make linear pair. 40 and Y make a linear pair. So 40 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Now to find Y, I have to subtract 40 from 180. Result of Y is 140 degree. Similarly 40 plus X plus 25. 40 plus X plus 25, it is also a straight line. So I can say it is straight angle, but I can't say that it is a linear pair because three angles are here. So pair I can't say. No, it is a straight angle. 40 plus X plus 25. Now see, 40 plus X plus 25, it is a straight angle and value of straight angle is always 180 degree, you know that. So 40 plus X plus 25 is equal to 180. 40 plus 25, if you add this, you will get 65. X plus 65 is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 65. X is equal to 115 degree. Now you have to write the value of unknown angles. X is equal to 115 degree, Y is equal to 140 degree and Z is equal to 40 degree. I hope you all understood. Thank you, students.